Next few weeks, fall sports will get going for high school athletes, and the Weather Watch 12 team is still forecasting some warm temperatures. Dr. Allison Brooks is a sports medicine physician at UW Health, and she's joining us to talk about safety as athletic seasons begin. We know some students have been in sports during the summer, but talk about the heat for us, doctor, and how it impacts our bodies.
You bet. I know that a hint of fall is in the air, but we all know some hot days are still ahead. When it is hotter and more humid, our bodies work harder to stay cool. Sweating is our body's main cooling mechanism, and in high humidity, less of that sweat can evaporate to cool us off. Still or stagnant air also doesn't help, which is why we all love a cool breeze. But children not only absorb more heat from their environment than adults do, they actually produce less sweat and they take longer to adjust to the heat. So those are some of the main reasons why it's important to be hydrated and to follow safety guidelines for avoiding heat-related illness. It is totally preventable, and no young athlete should ever die from it.
And we have some hydration tips on the screen right now, doctor. Since you mentioned hydration, I want to jump to this question. How much water should athletes be drinking? How much is adequate? How much is too much?
Yeah, athletes should really start hydrating 2 to 3 hours before practice, 2 to 3 cups of water. Then during practice or games, they should be taking 2 to 4 large gulps every 15 to 20 minutes. And then they need to replace what they lose, maybe another 2 to 3 cups for every pound of body weight that they might have sweat out. Water is generally fine if it's less than an hour. For things that are longer, it is reasonable to consider a beverage like Gatorade that has electrolytes. Energy drinks that have things like caffeine definitely should be avoided. And I really believe in positive coaching and that there's no place for punishment in youth sports. So certainly limiting access to water or using extra running or conditioning in the heat as punishment really should never happen.
And you mentioned coaching. How should coaches determine the activity plans if it's too hot outside?
Yeah, there's something called the wet bulb globe temperature, and something more readily available is called the heat index. But regardless of which is used, whoever's making decisions should be utilizing one of them. But as a general rule, if the temperature is above the low 80s, and especially if the humidity is greater than 50%, activities probably need to be modified or even canceled in extreme situations. So like practice early morning or late evening when it's cooler, make practice shorter. Make sure your athletes have access to shade, frequent water breaks, maybe even ice, cold towels, fans. Take equipment off like football pads, and never ignore an athlete who says that they are not feeling well in the heat. Get them cooled down immediately.
Some very important information. Dr. Allison Brooks with UW Health. Thank you for your time this afternoon.
You bet. Take care.